everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last video or former video I promised you that I would do a lookbook how to style your pleated skirts. I was very happy when I heard that in fall pleated skirts are trendy still, or again, or whatever you want to call it. I already had a pink one and a grey one, and as you saw in my former video I also found for very cheap at Shine a silver one and a bluish green one, so I'm very happy with that. And I heard a lot of people say, well, I don't wear pleats because it's too dressy and it's too dressed up and I don't know how to style it, and it's also stiff or so old-fashioned. Well, I don't think that is. I think it's very easy to style. And what I want to show you is that it doesn't have to be dressed up. I want to show you how you can style it with different kinds of sweaters, with jumpers, and then you can just run some errands in your pleats, go to work, go to school. It's certainly not dressed up, but it looks very nice and it looks very put together. So I'm a big fan of pleated skirts and I hope you like this too. I don't do a more dressier up style. This is just jumpers and pleats. So if you want me to do a more dressed up lookbook with pleats, with blouses, tops, all kinds of things, then let me know and I'll make a new video with another style code with the pleated skirts. I'll show you now what I've got. I think I have 8 options, so lots to choose from. There are some new jumpers that I was waiting for in my former video that hadn't come yet. So I have them now. They are really nice, they're awesome. There's a 100% cashmere one between them. Everything that is now in stock or available in the stores, I will link down below. Lots of jumpers I already had for some time, so I don't know where they are from, so you can certainly not buy them, but you can get some inspiration when you go to a store. Maybe you see something that looks like that and then you can buy that. So I'll show you what I found. This is my first skirt. It's a high-low grey pleated skirt. I had it for quite some time. I like it very much. And I paired it with the cashmere sweater that I found at CNA. I don't know if CNA is all around the world with shipping. I think they certainly will for Europe, but I'm not sure how far they go with shipping. But it's a very nice cashmere jumper with some bit fluted sleeves. Long board down the bottom. It's very soft, of course, because of its cashmere in it. It's all cashmere, so very nice sweater, and I think it looks good with this pleated skirt. It's not that stiff, it's not old-fashioned. I think I like it very much. If you like it, you can also put a belt around it. I don't really like to tuck it in. It makes me look very short, and I am short, so that's obvious, but I don't like when it's obvious to see. So I like to pair it with a belt rather than to tuck it in. But if the tuck in is something for you, then you can certainly do it also with a pleated skirt, because it always looks very nice. But also just plain, I like it very much. If you want with a nice necklace to it. I paired it with some short boots. You can also take knee-high boots or higher boots. I'll show you in the next style. Totally different look now. I think you can better see it in the mirror behind me. A chunky knit over it, some knee-high boots, and it's even more sporty, I think. It's very different as the former one, but I like this very much. It looks very good. And you can certainly just run some errands in this and you won't be too dressed up or whatever. I think it looks very nice and it's very comfortable. These skirts are usually rather wide, so it's really comfortable to wear, and you don't have to be worried about wrinkles or whatever, because they don't wrinkle. They already have the pleats, so it looks very nice and it's very comfortable. And what I wanted to show you, I saw a trick on YouTube. I have almost no shelf place to put my sweaters and my sweater dresses on, so I have almost everything hanging. And what you get with certainly the cashmere sweater is that the hanger goes into the shoulders of the sweater. What I saw, they put little water bottles over the hangers, but I don't buy throwaway water bottles, so I took some isolation tubes and I just stuffed it over the hanger, and then it's nicely stuffed for your shoulders of the sweaters, so you can hang your sweaters like this too. Don't do it when it's really a heavy, chunky knit, because they will hang out and they will get longer and longer and longer, and then you will lose the fit. But certainly for the cashmere, or for here's some other sweaters that hang in, jumpers that hang in here, you can certainly use that trick, and it's worked very nice. Yes, this is editing me coming in. Maybe you think, well, if I put those big tubes on the hangers, then it will take too much space in my closet. But what I do is I always put these cannel lips on my hanger so that I can put another hanger in. And as you see, they fall exactly under each other, so they don't take more space than just one sweater on a hanger, and you have the place of two. So also with these tubes on it, it doesn't take too much space. I already have rather bulky hangers because I like the wooden ones, but when you put them two with such a can lip on it, then it doesn't take much more space than with just one normal hanger. So very good idea when you have to put your sweaters, jumpers on hangers. Okay, this is the grey pleated skirt, so we go on to the next one. So my beautiful silver new skirt, a totally different jumper, and you see the look immediately changes. I put a belt on because I like it more to give it more length, otherwise it's just straight and my length is just not so much. The skirt is too long, I have to adjust it, but I didn't have time for it, so now it looks a bit too dressy when it's too long. I put the little boots on, but when the length is okay, I should certainly run some errands in this. I like it very much. I think it's stylish, but I don't think it's really overdressed when the skirt has the right length. With the off-the-shoulder sweater, it's totally different than the other two that I showed. And well, I think it looks trendy, it looks nice. I really like it. I think it's a really nice look, and maybe it's me that I'm stupid to go run some errands in this, but I think it's okay, I like it. Totally different jumper. This one I also got from C&A. It's viscose polyester. It has really nice sleeves, open cut sleeves with a ruffle. And these look really cute, really nice jumper. It was very cheap, so I'll link it down below if you like it. I just got it, so it must be in stock yet. I again paired it with a belt because on me I think that looks more nice. But a totally different look than with the grey sweater, but still very nice. I think I paired it with some sock boots with open toe and open heel that I got from Topshop. Very high heel, but very comfortable to walk on, although it doesn't look like that maybe. But under the skirt, especially when the length is okay, I think it looks really nice with the pink jumper. And the beautiful blue-green skirt from Shine. It calls for black, I don't know why, but I immediately take black, so I'll try another color, the next style one, because black is really standard. But I took this one, I think it was the Shine Hall that I got this from. Yes, it's the Shine Hall. The beautiful one with the pearls and with the slits. And yes, it's black, but I really like this together. I paired it with some thigh-high boots, over the knee boots, and it looks gorgeous. I really like this look. Love the sweater, love the skirt. Very nice combination. Of course, you can also pair it with some ankle boots. That's also nice because this is not really a long skirt, and that looks nice too. So the blue-green skirt. And to show you that you don't only have to pair the blue-green with black, I paired it with beige. It's also a new jumper from C&A. It's a cotton nylon. Feels very soft, feels very nice. I paired it with some beige boots and a totally different look with another color than the black, and I think it looks really nice. I tucked it in now to show you how it looks. As I said, I don't like it on me. I rather just put it over, that gives me more length. But you can certainly, although it is a pleat, you can certainly just tuck it in the front or on the side, and then you have a more casual look too. I'll go more for this. Very nice look. And then my trusty old pink skirt that I bought some years ago in Rome for almost no money. I think it was 10 euros or something. Very nice pleat, because it's a smaller pleat on the top and it goes wider down. It's very nice. As I said, I have it for years and it's still very beautiful. It doesn't show any signs of damage, and I wear it very much normally in spring, but now certainly in fall, maybe even in winter. And I paired it with this plain white jumper with a lace along the bottom. I paired it with the nude boots, and I think certainly wearable for fall and winter, although it always was my summer skirt. But I like the look very much. Nice with all the colors, this pink. It's a very nice pink and very easy to wear. And as I put on this last jumper, I saw that I forgot to pair the bags with all the looks. I had them here prepared, but I forgot, so no bags this time, maybe next time. Certainly different top than the last one. It's a black off the shoulder, very nice also with the skirt. Paired it with some black ankle boots, and totally different style in black. So that was my last look. I hope you liked them. As I said earlier, if you want me to make a more dressy lookbook with the pleated skirts, then let me know in the comment section. Very happy to do that, because I have already inspiration. I almost put something in between, but I thought, no, this is jumper and pleats, so not for this time. But if you like me to do, then let me know. Okay, well, that's this. Very much inspiration, I hope. And I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please. I need you. Bye.